Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the shop. Now today we're going to be taking this railroad spike and we're going to be revisiting a build I did from about 6 years ago. I was playing around making a plant hanging hook out of a railroad spike and got to thinking, hey, it might be kind of cool to make a push dagger out of this with the way that it was laid out. So, it's been 6 years ago. I've learned a lot since then. I've got better equipment now and everything, so I want to revisit it, see if I can do a better job than I did back then. Also, in typical brand new to YouTube fashion, it had obnoxious music playing throughout it. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get this marked, and then I'll get it cut on the bandsaw. You'll see the steps, and then we'll get to forging. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and make sure that you're in focus. Yeah, okay, so we're going to come and we're going to put our mark at 2 inches. About right here. So the goal is to come on the bandsaw and just split this all the way up and down like that. So we'll start cutting here at the head of the spike all the way up into here, and then when these pieces are folded out and turned, they will become the handle, and then this will be the blade portion of our push dagger. So that's the plan. We'll see how it turns out. So here's where we are. I'm going to go ahead and say it. A lot of y'all already know this, but this is a railroad spike, so it's non-hardenable steel. You can get hardenable railroad spikes from Atlas Knife and Tool. This is not one of those. It's just a plain railroad spike. So I quenched it in water just to cool it off. It'll harden just a little bit, not enough to be a usable knife at all. But with a push dagger design, I mean, as long as it's got a point, you can stick something, you know. So, but yeah, so all I got left to do on this is I got to clean up some of the sharp edges around here so a little more comfortable in your hand. Like I said, this is going to be a wall hanger for somebody that picks it up. You know, something, that conversation piece. It'd be something neat to have. I got to grind in the tip, then I'll grind in the bevels on either side, and then it'll be done. So let's go ahead and get over to the grinder and get all this cleaned up and see how it turns out. Alright, there's how we turned out. Pretty happy with it. It's been over 6 years since I've made one of these. I might want to start making some more. I think people might like that. That being said, I appreciate you all. Hit that sub button if you would. Ring the notification bell, notify them of this content as it posts. And for those that want to see it in the hand, because there'll be those that are like, you didn't hold it. Well, there you go. Let me zoom the camera out a little bit. Alright. So yeah, fits nicely. Like I said, this is just a novelty item, something that was fun to get down here and swing a hammer on, and a project that didn't take too long with it as hot as it is. With that being said, I appreciate you all. See y'all on the next one. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.